Hi guys, welcome back to yet another IGTV video. I hope you all are doing well. So today I'll be doing my everyday makeup routine because obviously you guys requested, so I had to film a video for this. So yeah, and I would like you to know that I'll be telling you some of the things that I like to avoid, especially in summers, from in my makeup routine. So yeah, with that being said, let's jump on to the video. So I'll start off by spritzing some face mist so that my face remains hydrated all throughout. So today I'm using this face mist from Glam Aroma. This is their Rose Gold Face Glow Mist. So yeah, I'm taking this and spritzing it. And let it dry down. Now after the droplets are dried down, so next I'll be using is a gel-based moisturizer. This is a gel-based moisturizer from this brand called Vera. This is their Grapeseed and Aloe Vera gel. I especially like to use gel form moisturizers because this absorbs into your skin really quick. Cream-based moisturizers take some time to get absorbed, and for the people like us who have oily T-zone and oily skin, it gets really difficult to work with cream-based moisturizers. So gel-based moisturizers are the win-win. So after applying the moisturizer, I would go for something which would hide my dark circles and also give some coverage to my skin. So today I'm using this CC cream from Lakme, and this is in the shade Honey. So I take a little bit on the back of my hand, like this much, and I would just apply it under my eyes, forehead, and the bridge of my nose, around my mouth because I've got a little bit of pigmentation over there. And now I don't use any brushes for my face makeup because that is a lot of work, right? And on daily basis you don't have that much of time to blend everything with brushes. So yeah, after I'm done applying the BB cream, I would apply some translucent powder, and yes, you can also build up the coverage of the BB cream as per your like. So the translucent powder I'm using is this Blue Heavens Sapphire translucent powder in the shade Natural. So my base makeup is almost done. The next step that I do is do my eyebrows. The product that I'm using is this Brow Kit from Wet n Wild in the shade Ash Brown. So my eyebrows are done, and I'm not that mad about it. I mean, it's not that bad. But the next step is doing my eye makeup. Well, my eye makeup keeps on changing. It is not static every day. But today I'm gonna use this palette from Makeup Revolution, and I'm gonna take this shade, like this one. This is a transition shade which I use while going on full on glam. But today I'll be using it as the lid color. So the next step is doing a wing liner. I love wing liners. I cannot do without it. If I ever do a liner, it's either a wing liner or nothing. So my liners are done, and the next thing that I'm going with is some mascara. So the mascara that I'm using is this one from Maybelline, and I'm just gonna wiggle it a little bit and then apply it towards the end. Instead of contouring and using blush, I like to use some highlighter. This is my one of my favorite highlighter from Wet n Wild, and this is in the shade Precious Petals. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my everyday makeup routine. So yeah, I'll see you in the next time.